Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, in everywhere you're watching me from. God bless you for your support always. I love you. Today, I want to show you how to use coffee on your hair. 3 ways on how to use coffee on your hair is very good. It will prevent hair loss and it will help your hair to grow. What you need, number 1, is egg. You break your egg inside your blender. We are going to be using hand blender, and you put your vegetable oil, you add it to it. Okay, depends on the quantity you want. If it's for 2, you break 2 egg. Okay, this is for 1. You just blend this way, hold the blender down and blend it this way. So after blending it this way, you take it out and just stir with, if your spoon or whatever you have, just use it to stir. Coffee is very good. Coffee have vitamin B5. Coffee have vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B1. Coffee is very good. We turn it to the bowl, and now we are going to be taking the coffee and we add coffee to it. I'm going to be adding 3 spoons. You can decide to use more if it is for 2. Okay, we add 3 spoons. Coffee helps you not to have hair loss anymore. Coffee prevents hair loss, and coffee stimulates your hair. Coffee make your hair to grow. You just blend it this way as I'm blending it. It's very good. So you just blend it. If you want to put it on your hair, you leave it for like 3 minutes and everything will go in, and you just stir again and put it aside. You see the way it is right now, so slimy, and it's very good for your hair. If your hair is always not growing, it will help your hair to grow. Your hair will not break anymore. It will be darkening your hair naturally. It's very good. So the second way is just to take your coffee, and if you don't want to go that process, mayonnaise that you used to eat your salad, you just put it inside. It's very good. All this is very good. Japanese use this a lot for their hair growth. Even India, a lot of people use it for their hair. Coffee is very good. So you just turn it this way. If you can't do the first one, you do the second one. Okay, the last one I'm going to be showing you is to warm a hot water. This is the liquid one. You just, after now it's hot, you pour 3 cups of coffee to it, or 4. So you add your vegetable oil, you add it to it, and we're going to be adding mayonnaise. If you don't want to add mayonnaise, you can use it that way. So I add mayonnaise on mine, and it's very good. So you take it back to the microwave. You put it on the microwave, or you can use hand blender if you don't want to microwave it. So now I have my container. I just turn it inside. Sorry for the mess up. I just turn it inside this way. So I'm not going to be using the 3 ones, but because of this video, I have to demonstrate it. Okay, this is very good. You see the coffee, after some minutes, I leave it for 3 minutes, so everything's smooth together. You see the way it's very smooth, and it's very good. So I'm adding it to the hair now. You see the hair is very darkened because I'll always be using coffee. It's very good. I will not teach you what is bad. This is good. So natural things that you can use to maintain your hair, it has been given to us by God. So that is just it. Learn to maintain your hair, because your hair is your glory. As a woman, your hair is your glory. Beautiful hair is good to maintain your hair. Okay, so you just do it this way. This is the second one. I'm not supposed to use all at the same time, but because to demonstrate it to you, to show you that I don't use what I teach, I use what I teach. So I have to show it to you in this video. So you just use it to moisturize your hair this way. So even the liquid one, even though you have a protective style, Wish me I have a protective style on. I'm using my daughter's hair. Okay, me, I have a protective style on, so I'm going to be showing you how I would do it on my protective style too. So you see the liquid, you can still add it. You don't need to use all at the same time. You choose one of the one you want to do, okay? So I'm just demonstrating it so that you know I do what I teach, okay? So this is protective style that I have on my hair. So I just put the liquid that is remaining and massage it into the skull just this way. After massaging it into the skull, you have to wear the cloth that is not going to mess up. You leave it for 30 minutes, you wash it up. So I am washing the other one now. So that is just it, guys. You are going to love it. Your hair is going to soften, your hair is going to grow. You know, coffee has a lot of benefits, a lot of things that will stimulate our hair growth, and it's very, very good. It's very, very good. You will never have hair loss anymore when you are using coffee. If you are not incorporating coffee into your hair regimen, so try to incorporate it into your hair regimen, because coffee is very good. So after finish washing it, you see the way it's dark and so soft and lovely. Thank you all. Subscribe, share this video, like, press the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when I upload. Bye bye.